How do I create new user accounts for my colleagues in LISTSERV Maestro? LISTSERV Maestro is a multi-user, multi-group platform and allows your teams to collaborate on all facets of your email marketing campaigns. To create user accounts for your colleagues, log in with your group administrator account. Next, open the main menu and click on User Accounts in Group under Utility. Here you will see all of the user accounts for your group. In a multi-group setting where you have distinct groups of users working separately from one another, you would log into the Administrative Hub instead, which allows the administrator to manage users for all groups. To create additional user accounts for your current group, go to New User Account in Group. Enter the name of the new user account, followed by an email address for notifications. Next, enter a temporary one-time password so that the new user can log in. After that, you have the opportunity to define the rights and permissions that this user will have. For example, you can allow certain colleagues to create new jobs and reports, but not to make changes to the subscriber database or any of the target groups. Check the relevant boxes to grant permissions for this new user, followed by Save. Now when the new user logs in, you'll notice that the main menu only contains items that the person has permission to view or edit. In this case, we gave our colleague permission to create new jobs and reports, and to view but not to administer the subscriber database. When we click on Subscriber Warehouse, you'll notice that I can view the subscribers but not make any changes to their data. These permissions can be changed by the administrator at any time by clicking on the edit link next to the username and modifying the permissions as appropriate. You can create as many user accounts as you need for your organization. Thank you for watching.